Like with other trim products, there are certain areas where a sealant is needed to prevent water penetration into the wall cavity. Polymer-based sealants containing solvents should be used. These can be identified by looking for the metal cap on the bottom of the tube. Do not use silicone. Polymer-based sealants like Quad by OSI or NPC Solar Seal 900 adhere extremely well to VERSATEX and maintain elasticity, not drying out over time. When it is necessary to glue VERSATEX to itself, we recommend PVC glues with setup times of 3 to 5 minutes. VERSATEX sells Weld-On number 705 in both cans and an easy-to-use 5-ounce squeeze tube. When applying PVC glue, make sure you put it on one board and force the other board in to create a secure molecular bond. Do not put glue on both boards as it will not fuse the cells. It will take approximately 10 minutes for glue to fully set and form a secure bond. Wait 24 hours before trying to stress the joint. If VERSATEX is to be bonded to wood like a subfascia, heavy-duty construction adhesives, polyurethane adhesives that are PL or equivalent, or products like liquid nails subfloor are required. If bonding VERSATEX to metal, block, or concrete, use a 2-part methyl methacrylate like PVC trim welder.